Hi everyone, welcome to Module 11. Today, we're going to learn how to create AI cooking cat videos. Our first step is crafting the perfect prompt to generate our images. If you'd like to dive deeper into prompt creation, feel free to revisit Module 7 for more insights. Now, let's start with an idea. What will your cat look like? What is it cooking? What kind of background will set the scene? These creative details are entirely up to your imagination and how you envision your video. Here's an example to get us started. Let's ask ChatGPT to enhance the following prompt for more details. An ultra-realistic, high-definition image of a fluffy white tabby cat standing upright on its hind legs in the middle of a vibrant vegetable garden. The cat skillfully slices a fresh, crisp head of Napa cabbage with a large, sharp knife. As you can see, the prompt is now much more detailed. It includes richer descriptions of the background, the cat, and the action taking place. Take a moment to read the prompt carefully and consider if there's anything else you'd like to add to make it even more vivid and engaging. For this example, we'll keep the prompt as it is. Now, let's move on and create the image.